everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today I'm making chili chicken and pasta. I have my chicken breast here. I'm going to just use the chili seasoning mix, and I'm going to put jalapeno peppers in it. I'm using the sesame oil, and then here I have some tomatoes and green chili that I'm going to put in it, and I'm going to also add some sweet peppers in there, and garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, and of course I'm putting my favorite cream cheese in it. So over here I have a pot of water, just waiting on it to boil so I can go ahead and put the pasta in it. In the meantime, I'm going to season my chicken, and then I'm going to cook it in the air fryer. My water's boiling. I'm just going to go ahead and add my pasta. I already have salt in there. So I'm preheating my fryer. In the meantime, I'm gonna just go ahead and add my seasonings. I'm not gonna really use too much because there's a lot of seasoning in the chili seasoning mix that I'm using. Okay, so you guys should be able to see better, and I'll be able to use both hands. Chicken, so I'm not going to use too much seasoning. A little pepper. I'm going to add some, some chili powder. Even though I use the chili seasoning, I'm going to add some chili powder to it. I'm going to let this marinate for about 5-10 minutes. They're really thin. You can see they're really thin, so I'm not going to leave it too long. And then we'll put them in the air fryer. I'm going to add a little peanut oil. So I'm making this for my kids. Hopefully they'll enjoy it. Never made it before, so I actually just thought about it. They're like my little guinea pigs. So we'll see the outcome once it's prepared. All right, it's time to start the chicken. I'm just going to spray a little bit in the air fryer, just a little, because I already put the oil on the chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my pieces in. And I had already preheated it. Okay. All right. I'm going to see, so it's set at 350, and we're going to do about 5-10 minutes on each side. I have a little olive oil in a pot. I'm just going to add my bell peppers, and I have some banana peppers in here too. Just going to saute it a little bit, not too much because I still want them to be crunchy. Okay, I'm going to add my can of diced tomatoes and green chili. Just going to mix this in. Going to add my cream cheese. So I already started cutting up some of the chicken breasts. Just want to do them in cubes. Add a little sour cream. So just pretty much 3 big tablespoons. Let's mix this in. I'm going to add the chicken to it. going to put some more of my chili powder, or actually chili seasoning. And some chili powder. So I'm going to add my pasta now. As you can see. So I'm all done with my chili chicken and pasta. Just want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss future videos. See you guys next time.